Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on notifications in your YouTube account settings so you never miss updates, uploads, or live streams. Let's jump in. First, open YouTube and sign in. Then, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings. In the Settings menu, look on the left hand side and click on Notifications. This is where you can manage all your YouTube alerts. Here you can turn on or off different types of notifications like subscriptions, recommended videos, activity on channel, and more. Make sure to switch on the ones you don't want to miss. You can also decide how you want to receive alerts. Scroll down to manage email notifications and push notifications on your devices. Once you have made your choices, YouTube saves them automatically to make sure it works. Check that notifications are also allowed in your browser or phone settings for the YouTube app. And that's how you turn on YouTube notification in your account setting. Now you are in control and won't miss a thing. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notification for this channel too. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.